this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is an Instant Noodle Recipe Time Extra. I just felt like doing a recipe that is the one from my mom. I'm gonna do a little bit of different things to it, but yeah. This is a pack of Marachon ramen noodle soup, picante chicken. First, we are going to cook the noodle block. So it's gonna go for 2 minutes. Yeah, look, I'm cooking noodles in boiling water. It's Christmas time, and there is our tree coated in Star Trek ornaments and such. Also, it is now officially winter. It's and we got freezing rain last night. Here's a couple pictures of what the road looks like. They closed down my wife's work. So everybody's getting a snow day today, and it's kind of nice because it's the 23rd of December, which is a Friday, which means she gets a 4-day weekend, ladies and gentlemen, with Christmas smack dab in the middle. What do you think of that? Isn't that great? I'm hoping it'll warm up a little bit, and then I can get out and grab a couple things. We need wrapping paper and tape. It's basically the recipe that got me interested in reviewing instant noodles. You just need 2 eggs and you need some oil, and that's pretty much all she wrote. That's what you need. This is really good. I'm telling you what, you're gonna dig it. This and drain it. Draining the noodle. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of oil to this skillet. About that much, which is actually probably more than is necessary. So, yeah, okay, so you're taking fried noodle that's been cooked and drained and heating it in oil. And you'll see, trust me on this one. I decided to do something wacky last night because it was just seemed like the thing to do. I made ramen on the patio. Frozen ramen. Would you just look at that, folks? Doesn't that look appealing? It almost looks like flan. I'm not gonna eat this, but there's some pictures of it that'll whet your appetite for frozen ramen. Hey, it's something to do. I was kind of bored, you know. Yeah, we've had the winter blast here in the Pacific Northwest, and now we're about to have Christmas in the Northwest. And you want to hear the worst song in the world? It's called Christmas in the Northwest, and if you look it up on YouTube, you'll find it. It's horrible. God, I want to say it's like one of the worst songs I've ever heard in my life. Can you believe it? Frying fried noodles. So what's going to happen is this is going to continue, and it's going to get crispy. While this occurs, we're going to add in our seasoning. Trust me. But the trick is to do it just long enough so it gets crisp. And when it gets crisp, it's nice. And then you drop in some beat up eggs. We have a fire on the stove, ladies and gentlemen. Not a big fire. We'll do a little time lapse of the beauty that is this meal. Now we're going to simply loosen the egg and do it up kind of like an omelet. Oh, an angry omelet. And now is the time that you use your spring onion slicer. Of course, every good American kitchen has a slicer for spring onions. And you add spring onions. And we'll add a little bit of ketchup on top. And some fried crispy onions for a little bit of yes. And there you go. It's kind of like a ramen omelet kind of thing, but I kind of did it. Usually it was just the ramen and the egg, and there wasn't anything else. But I thought I'd take a little artistic license with it. Let's give it a try. And here's how it looks on the inside. The egg is crisp. The noodles are crisp. That came out rad. You can do this with any kind of noodle. You can do this like with Indomie. You could do this with Shin, if you're a Shin person thing. You can do it with pretty much any instant noodles. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holiday insert here, and yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.